Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enlarge your eyes in your video using Beautify Effect and Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application. And wait, first of all, I'm going to add this video to the project, and then we're going to go to the effect menu here, and you can search for Beautify Effect. This one, you can find it in the body effect in Filmora. So you just need to go to the body effect, and you will find the Beautify Effect here and apply it to your video. Okay, and you're going to customize the effect. Click on the effect and you're going to go to the eye, and here you can enlarge your eye like this. Okay, and this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enlarge your eyes in your video using the Beautify Effect in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!